In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and wait for the second pop-up. In this one, you can tap on remove and your search bar will be successfully deleted. So when I tap, mine is gone. If you want to, you can always restore it. Pro tip: to do it fast, pinch your device's display, hit widgets between icons and layout, scroll until you see Google, and when you find it, hold search bar under it. Google, search bar. Then drag it to the proper place on your screen, let go, and hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!